Hey everyone, this is the 100 rounds of Federal 9mm for Mr. Steven Stringfellow, 10 at 450. First wins the ammo, and second wins a spot on his 22 long rifle ammo raz. Copy our list. Go live. 839. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 839. We got a 7. 839 7 times. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 items on the list. Miss Jessie on top, Mr. Dwayne on the bottom. Randomized 6 times. Dice called for a 7. 839. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Mr. Zachary wins the ammo, and Miss Thea wins the spot. 10 items, 7 times, 7 on the dice. Congrats, Mr. Zachary and Miss Thea. We are done at 8:40. Thanks, everyone.